Manifesting money quickly is simply a matter of sustaining a feeling that life is great because you have access to all the money you'll ever need. The challenge is we often face current reality that contradicts this feeling of abundant wealth. So let's look at how we can make it work in our daily lives. It all boils down to habit formation. Most everything you do during your waking hours is done by following your habits. There's very few activities or thoughts you have are outside the realm of your habits. This is why many people believe that their success and lifestyle strongly depend upon their habits. In other words, your quality of life depends upon your habits. Change your habits and you'll change your life. What this means to us is we have to make positive feelings that there are abundant amounts of money for us to access a habitual feeling and thought. So, how do we do this? Well, the obvious answer is to practice it, but this is where most of us start to face problems. First, we have to become crystal clear about how we feel when we have an abundant amount of wealth, because this is probably not something we've encountered in our life, or at least not very often. If you have never experienced this, then use your imagination to think about how you would view life and how your attitude towards life would be like, and what would you do if you had all the money you ever needed at your disposal. Answer these questions. Where would you live? Who would you live with? How would you react to strangers? How would you react to friends and acquaintances? Think of 5 or 10 routine situations that you do in your normal life, such as going grocery shopping, withdrawing money from an ATM machine, going out to a restaurant, or even driving to work. Now, close your eyes and imagine each of these situations, but imagine it as if you had all the money you ever needed. How would it affect the way you do each of these routines? How would your attitude be different? For example, when you go to the grocery store, would you buy the same types of food? Would you buy more things or fewer things? What would you buy? Would you buy healthier food because now you have such a wonderful life and you want to live as long as you can? How would you react while waiting at the checkout counter and someone cuts in front of you? How would you respond to the cashier at the checkout counter? Would you be smiling? Would you be friendlier than normal? Would you tip more when they bagged your groceries? How would you feel as you paid the person? What thoughts and emotions would be dancing through your head? How would you characterize your overall view of life? Repeat this process with the other 5 to 10 routine situations and go through them in as much detail as possible. Experience it from your own point of view. See things from your eyes rather than watching yourself do the actions. Feel what it would be like to be in your own skin. Feel what it would be like to experience the feelings and thoughts that dance through your head. Now that you have done this, start replaying these scenarios on a daily basis mentally. And then, when you actually do these routines, act as if you already had all the money you needed. Be an actor pretending that someone is shooting a video of how you do your daily activities. Do this so frequently so that it becomes part of your being. Soon you will become more certain that you are actually this well off. Access this emotional state and sustain it for long periods of time in multiple situations throughout the day until it becomes part of you, until it becomes natural, until you become certain that it is your reality. That is what it takes to manifest money into your life quickly. But before we go any further, I need you to hit the subscription button because you want to maximize the benefits of using Neville Goddard's techniques. I literally upload practical videos every week that will be a game changer for you.